You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You just don't have the right system. Success doesn't happen by chance. It's built, task by task, day by day. In this series, we'll show you the tools that turn your to-do list into done. Let's unlock your productivity, one tool at a time. 1. Trello. Turn chaos into clarity. In a world overwhelmed by chaos, Trello emerged as a beacon of clarity. The brilliant strategist meticulously dissected destructive ideas, translating them into organized tasks on the platform. Each card represented a dark thought, transformed into a stepping stone for community upliftment. Labels indicated obstacles, innovative solutions, and goals, guiding teams through complex projects with newfound purpose. As a result, Trello became synonymous with productivity, illustrating how systematic organization could reclaim control, turning turmoil into a path toward meaningful progress and collaboration. 2. Notion, one tool to rule them all. In a world overflowing with distractions and unstructured tasks, Notion emerges as the ultimate ally, a singular tool that transcends conventional boundaries. Imagine an expansive canvas where thoughts transform into organized plans, a space where chaotic ideas find their place among meticulously crafted dashboards. Users can seamlessly blend project management with personal tracking, creating a harmonious workflow. With each page tailored to individual needs, productivity flourishes as tasks become manageable. Notion empowers users to reclaim their focus, turning aspirations into reality, one organized thought at a time. 3. Google Calendar. Master your time. Mastering your time with Google Calendar is like conducting a symphony of productivity. Each event and reminder becomes a note in your day, perfectly orchestrated to harmonize your commitments. By color-coding tasks and blocking out focused work periods, you transform chaos into clarity. Every morning, you open your calendar, greeted by a visual representation of your priorities. With reminders nudging you along, distractions fade, allowing you to dive deep into your goals. Over time, your once fragmented schedule evolves into a seamless rhythm of accomplishment. 4. Power Combo. Trello, Google Calendar. Imagine a world where chaos transforms into harmony through the seamless integration of Trello and Google Calendar. Trello, with its vibrant boards and customizable cards, allows you to visualize tasks, breaking down projects into manageable steps. As you prioritize and assign deadlines, Google Calendar swoops in, color-coding your commitments and scheduling reminders to keep you on track. The synergy between these tools means your tasks and time align perfectly, enhancing your focus and productivity. Together, they empower you to achieve clarity in both personal ambitions and professional goals, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. 5. Notion Templates. Discipline made easy. In the whirlwind of daily responsibilities, simplicity often becomes a refuge. Enter Notion Templates, the unsung heroes of discipline and organization. With just a few clicks, I transformed my chaotic thoughts into structured plans. Each template, from task managers to habit trackers, serves as a guiding light, illuminating my path to productivity. No longer do I feel overwhelmed. Instead, I find clarity in my goals. With every checkmark, I'm reminded that organization doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a seamless part of my life. 6. Visual progress equals real motivation. Visual progress acts as a compelling motivator, transforming abstract goals into tangible achievements. Consider a fitness journey. Tracking workouts and meals on an app provides daily visual feedback, igniting a sense of accomplishment with every completed task. Similarly, a student can use a colorful Trello board to mark assignments as done, turning overwhelming projects into bite-sized victories. Even personal goals, like reading books, flourish when paired with a progress tracker, showcasing milestones that inspire continued effort. These visual cues not only celebrate achievements, but also reinforce the commitment to reach the finish line. 7. No tool works unless you do. In a world overflowing with digital tools, Mia found herself overwhelmed by potential, yet stagnant in progress. Trello sat unused, its boards untouched, while Notion's endless templates felt daunting rather than empowering. One day, frustrated by her lack of direction, she decided to take action. With every task she moved on Trello, she felt a surge of control. She scheduled time blocks in Google Calendar, treating them as appointments with her future self. Slowly, her commitment began to bear fruit. She learned that tools could guide her, but it was her dedication, nurtured through small victories, that turned plans into reality. Each completed task became a building block, reinforcing the truth. No tool works unless you do. Tools don't change your life. Your actions do. Choose your system, show up, and remember, you are not behind. You are building. You are undefeated. If this helps you, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more tools, mindset, and motivation.